Hey guys, I'm just reviewing this smart lock. We put it on our bedroom door, and man, this is like one of the handiest things ever. It just works so well. It's easy to add the different fingerprints, and if you want to like child-proof your house, or sometimes bathroom doors have the other ones on there, right? So the one with a little keyhole, right? So if your kid goes in there, locks the door in the bathroom, your toddler or whatever, and then you can't, maybe you don't have a key or something. If you have these doorknobs on there, it's so easy just to get in and out. Very convenient. Yeah, because we lock our bedroom door a lot. So there's kids and stuff because our bedroom door is right off the living room. So if we need to come in here, we'd have to lock it, and then have to get one of those little keys and put it in there and try and unlock it. With this, just a touch of a fingerprint or a thumb or whatever one you want to set up. It's super handy. My wife and I really like this, guys. Yeah, these smart locks, they're pretty amazing. I'm really happy that I got this one. It's a fantastic product. Install was super easy. It's just, I have nothing but good to say about these, and so I thought I'd share this video with you guys. It just made it a lot easier. It's just saved us a lot of time, you know. Instead of having to get a little key and open our door all the time, you just go right in, and then, you know, it's just very convenient. So I just thought I'd make this quick video. We've had it for a couple weeks now, and I'm just really impressed with it. I don't really have enough good things to say about it, so hope this is helpful, guys. Yeah, if I had locks like these back when my little ones were little, this is definitely the way to go. So, all right, guys, have a great day. We'll see you next time.